Good morning, everybody. I'm just here at home, chilling out, kind of playing doctor to myself because I woke up at 5 a.m. and I was feeling really tachycardic and like I had some kind of chest tightness. So now I'm just listening to my chest with my trusty Littmann stethoscope to see if I have any sort of abnormalities with my lungs or with my heart. But I've always had this pansystolic murmur in my pulmonary valve area, like on the second left intercostal space, and it kind of goes away when I calm down. And when I listen to my chest, I kind of calm down a little bit and it goes away. But when I like move around a lot and stuff, it's really loud. Pansystolic swishing murmur. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but yeah, probably not. So today I don't think I'm gonna be doing any makeup videos because I'm not really feeling very well. Like I've been coughing, I have a dry cough, and like I said, chest tightness and occasional tachycardia, and so I don't know what's wrong with me. But this usually happens when I eat at McDonald's. Like last night, my husband and I had a late night meal at McDonald's, and that's not good. And then I went to sleep like an hour after, so that's probably why I'm feeling like crap today. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow when I'm feeling better, guys. Bye!